Dear children, I, Mrs. Dorothy Timothy, once again welcome you all to our history class. Today we shall begin with lesson 7, Non Cooperation Movement. The non cooperation movement was the first mass based all India movement. Topics which we are going to cover today are Introduction, Role of Gandhiji in South Africa, Gandhiji arrives in India, Philosophy of Satyagraha, Champaran Satyagraha, Kheda Satyagraha, Workers' Movement of Ahmedabad, and Satyagraha against Rowlatt Act. Introduction of the lesson. In the Indian national movement, the period from 1920 to 1947 is known as Gandhian era. After the death of Lokmanya Tilak in 1920, Gandhiji took over the reins of India's freedom struggle. With the principles of truth and nonviolence and satyagraha, he gave new direction to the freedom movement. It became more comprehensive, and this led to the beginning of a new era in the freedom movement of India. Role of Gandhiji in South Africa. Mahatma Gandhi went to South Africa for some legal work in 1893. South Africa was a colony of the British. Many Indians had settled in South Africa for the purpose of trade and business. They were treated as criminals, and humiliating treatment was meted to them. In 1906, the government declared that it was compulsory for blacks to carry identity card. And so Gandhiji launched Satyagraha against this injustice and gained justice for the people. Gandhiji arrives in India. When Gandhiji returned to India on 9th January 1915, he was advised by Gopal Krishna Gokhale to tour the entire nation. The misery and poverty he witnessed made him sad. He vowed to serve the nation and stayed at the Sabarmati Ashram at Ahmedabad. Philosophy of Satyagraha. Gandhiji brought in a novel technique of Satyagraha in the popular movement. Satyagraha means insistence of truth. The main objective of Satyagraha is through patience and Satyagraha, an unjust person is made aware of truth and justice and also bring transformation in his views. He followed a new technique of Satyagraha to gain justice. A Satyagrahi should never use violence and untruth means. This technique of Satyagraha was followed by Martin Luther King for the rights of the blacks in America and Nelson Mandela in South Africa. Champaran Satyagraha. Champaran Satyagraha was the first Satyagraha of Gandhiji in India. In Bihar, the farmers of Champaran region were forced to cultivate indigo. They received a fixed amount from the plantation owners. Gandhiji organized the farmers and launched Satyagraha against plantation owners. He was successful and the farmers were given justice. Now, Kheda Satyagraha. In spite of continuous famines in Kheda district of Gujarat, the farmers were forced to pay land tax. In 1919, Gandhiji led Satyagraha for scrapping of the tax. In a short period, the government suspended the tax. Workers' movement at Ahmedabad. During the First World War, the inflation was very high. The mill workers demanded for rise in salary, which was refused by the mill owners. On Gandhiji's advice, the workers went on hunger strike, and due to this, the mill owners raised the salary of the workers. Satyagraha against Rowlatt Act. On 17th March 1919, a new law was passed on the recommendations of Sir Sidney Rowlatt without considering the opposition of Indian members in Central Legislative Assembly. The Indians had helped the British in World War I, so they felt that after the war the decisions regarding the well-being of the Indians will be taken. The prices of the daily commodities increased during the First World War, and the burden of debt also increased. The Rowlatt Act was passed to check the growing discontent and suggest measures. It authorized the government to arrest any Indian and imprison him without trial or warrant. No appeal could be made against the punishment given under this act. It was condemned by Indians as Black Act. Gandhiji called upon the people to observe Hartal on 6th April to protest against the act, and Indians responded to this appeal on a large scale. Now, girls, hope all of you have understood the first part of the lesson. Please read the lesson and do the assignment which will be given to you. Assignment. Question number 1. Answer the following questions. Which restrictions were put up on the blacks in South Africa according to the Declaration of 1906? Where did Gandhiji launch the first satyagraha in India? Write short notes on Gandhiji's work in South Africa and Champaran Satyagraha. Thank you.